Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. And today we will discuss how can add beautiful CSS to HubSpot form. If like I have one HubSpot form and now at here it is not looking good. So at here you can see lots of CSS issues there. So I want to optimize and add some CSS and JavaScript for it. So let's get started. So before get started, please subscribe to my channel. And now let's get started. So in the first step, like if you go to a spot, then you can see lots of form at there. So like I have one form. So like at here, first I go at here and then click on like share and add here embedded, and add here I will copy this and then paste to our site. I am in the editor, and first go to editor and create page, etc. And now I am at here. I am at here, and I am just copying my code from here and pasting. It is same which I called, so that you can get exact thing. Okay, and it is not looking good because lots of style issues showing at here, and it is mixed, and also this is not looking good. So first go in the editor, like at here I am at here, and we can add lots of thing via CSS. So I already added CSS at here, and I will also provide CSS on my site. Like I will provide CSS link from my site in the description, so you can copy from there. And currently I added CSS on my at here, so I will just copy at here. From here you can add this CSS inside your like if you want to add inside child theme via file, then you can also put via file. And if you want to add at here, then you can just paste this code at here. Now at here you can see it is looking awesome, but something is missing, like at here this bit is not looking good because this first name and last name is looking good, but business email, phone number, etc. is not looking good. So for that we have to add some more thing. So like at here, if you we consider at here, then it is showing 95%. So if we do 100%, then it is fixed. But if I copy, okay, I copied from here and just putting at here, then again checking. Still it is coming 95%. And I also added important uh, important at here, then save, then check. Still it is not working. And at here you can see it is overwritten via HubSpot. So also we have to make some JS change inside our code. So at here first go at JavaScript which we added, and inside that they provide HubSpot provide one more tag at here. So like at here they provide on form ready, and so on form ready you just add form.add class. So I am adding one more class at here. So just after region etc you can add comma and then add our on form ready and then click save. Now if you check, then add here HS full width class is added. First check, yes it is added. Now we will add some code via CSS. So at here we added width 100% and maximum width 100%. Now check again. Now it's look good and with same width etc. And all thing is looking good. And I also customize one thing inside that. Inside I also added HS form select and height 44 pixel, because inside that I did not found and it is giving some CSS issue at there. So if you check, if not, I think I did I got same issue with Elementor. So if you are getting issue with Elementor, because at here I am adding this via Gutenberg. So if you found issue with select, then you can add first found selector and then add CSS etc. I explain how can customize, and it is your turn. You can give more and more design for this form. It is up to you. And that's it guys. If this tutorial help you customize HubSpot form beautifully, hit subscribe for more advanced web tip. Thanks for watching. And one more thing, I provide lots of development services, so you can connect with me. Thanks for watching.